Last night, I was up way past my bedtime, and for a school night, no less. I had just finished teaching. Broke isn't the problem. And I was buzzing, lit up, wired, grinning like a possum in a peach tree. Just so dang proud of what we covered. Normally, I'd come down from that high cuddled up next to my sweetie. He's usually right there to snuggle me into slumberland after an event. But he's traveling, so I didn't have him. Just me and a head full of adrenaline. So here I am, groggy-eyed this morning, but still smiling. And I've only got two things for you today. No big reveals, no epic soapboxes. Just this. If you missed the webinar last night, you've got 24 hours to catch the replay. And a few folks asked me about my long-term love and how we're still so into each other after more than a decade. Like, really into each other. Like, whoa, get a room into each other. So, here's the truth. We choose each other. And then we keep choosing. On purpose. Over and over. With open eyes, open hearts, and yes, still with fire. It hasn't always been spicy. There were days, months, where things felt routine, flat. Life got life-y. I had surgeries. We had stress. The dishes multiplied like horny tribbles. Right now, to be honest. But we keep returning to what matters. We prioritize the passion. We make space for connection. It's not a performance. It's our value. Not effortless, but worth every ounce of effort. And if there's one thing I can promise you, it can be like that for you too. That kind of love is very real. Not perfect, but real. Messy, magical, rechosen love. And that's it for today. It's a slow morning, and I'm going to take advantage before I pick my sweetie up at the airport in a few hours. Go watch the replay. Even if you're not broke, I promise there's something in there that'll click. And if something hits you deep or even just tickles your brain a little, hit reply and tell me. I'd love hearing what lands. Have you ever been in a long-term relationship that burned hot, then cooled down, then came back even hotter? Or are you wondering if that's even possible for you? Tell me what you think. I read every reply.